This is amazing. Look at this bird. Look, he flew away, guys. He's flying fine. Oh, look, he fell. He fell. He fell. He just fell. He fell through. It just fell. It fell through. Something is wrong with it. Everybody here. We got everybody here. It was just on top of my van, bro. And it's just up there. You guys see it? It's literally up there. Yeah, something is wrong with his wings. It can't even stand up on that thing straight. It's something is wrong with it, right? Oh man. This is crazy. Yeah, you get it here first, like it or not. This is what it is. Bird flew to me, of course. Animal control is here on the scene. Cops are here.
It did get the car?
Yeah, it did. Yeah, it did. It definitely pooped on my car. Yeah, it did. Oh, man. That's amazing, bro. We got some